Otter AI is a web-based application that uses artificial intelligence (AI) technology to deliver real-time transcription and note-taking services to its users. It is intended to assist users in recording, storing, and organizing information gleaned from a variety of talks, including meetings, lectures, and interviews. Otter AI can transcribe audible words into text in real time by utilizing voice recognition technology that is driven by artificial intelligence. With this feature, users can quickly collect and evaluate information so they don't have to take notes by hand. During a meeting or chat, this tool makes it simple to record important points and insights that are discussed. Users of Otter AI can search through their transcribed notes by utilizing keywords, phrases, or subjects in the search bar provided by the platform. Because of this, it's easy to find specific information or topics that have been talked about in past conversations. Collaboration is made possible with Otter AI, which enables users to work together to transcribe notes and then share those transcribed notes with others. This function is very helpful for group projects and meetings with several members of a team. Otter AI can link with various productivity applications such as Dropbox, Zoom, and Slack, which helps to streamline workflows and boost overall productivity. Thanks for tuning into Otter AI in 100 seconds. Smash the like button and subscribe for more AI content.